What did T-Rex actually sound like? The dinosaurs were dubbed for the film Jurassic Park by Gary Lindstrom. In order to create a sound for T-Rex, he used the sounds of a tiger, a crocodile, and a baby elephant. Like a tiger and a crocodile, the real T-Rex did not sound like it, but it did have something in common with an elephant. After analyzing a computer model of the dinosaur's skull, scientists came to the conclusion that it made low-frequency sounds. They were audible to other species at a great distance. Today, it's elephants that use such communication. And this is how the reconstructions of T-Rex's voice sounds.